Hello guys, again on this video. You watch part 1, right? That this and flamingo that give me L stack on grow or gag, right? On my main account. This is my alt, right? So we need to go in there now before it's too late. Sorry for I am yapping, so let's go. What door? Cola. Thank you for the cola. There's so many robots in here. That was super fun, dude. Okay, yeah. Okay. What? Help? No, I will not help you. We will need Pancho. Okay, we need this box. Okay, so this one okay? No, we need a plan. So man. Okay, mission complete. So we need to get the cannonball or the cannonball. Yeah, got it now. Wait, no. Fire in the hold. Ha, you died. Wait, what is that room? Nah, dude, wait, who are you? Are you Kalbo? Okay, let's get out of here. Don't mind that Kalbo jump scared me. Oh, I almost fall, dude. Vent security. What? Turn back. No. Yeah. Sorry for being do not vast. Okay. But not like other YouTubers. They are yapping yap like I don't order a yappuccino, dude. Yes, boys, completely, dude. Boys are better. I think girls, lang. Wala na akong choice eh. I don't have any choice eh. Ayun kalbo. Ito hanap ko agad Bye-bye. Wow. Wait, sorry when I am AFK. Don't mind that sound. Don't mind that ABCD song. Cause our youngest child is watching ABCD or what? Okay, how we open this? Oh yeah, I don't know what there's a vent in here. Who is that, dude? Okay, we need to escape quick. Yeah. Okay, I think we are safe now. I think no. Okay. The elevator just broke down. And again. Okay. Okay. It's so long. How can I? How long is this, dude? How long is this? Here, there's an kawatan. Because I don't know what is English of kawatan. Okay, fuck me. Just kidding. I stop persuading. Okay, we need to open some chest. Ooh, blue key. Wait, why it cannot open? Oh, I know. Alright, open sesame. There we go. So I am not copying PFL, okay? Oh, who is this skeleton, guys? Oh, you are not scary, dude. Even my character fainted, bro. Like, dude, it's not even that scary. Dude, I never touched that, dude. I'm gonna karate you with my taekwondo. Okay. Just sleep in there. Okay. There's a multo. There's a ghost. Let's go, minecart. I love this. Wait. I know that incident that Day of L happened. Okay. Let's go. I hope that never happened. Dude. I just want to drive. Oh, that Calbo again, dude. What are you doing, Calbo? Calbo. Wait for me, Calbo. Wait for me, Calbo. I don't want to get bitten by an asshole. Please. Hey, Calbo, why are you riding that? Are you the... okay. He's riding nothing. Don't mind that. Ooh, this is crazy, dude. Okay. What is that? Why are you crying? Do not cry. It's just a game. You tried to kill me many times. I know it's a trap, guys. Hey, Calbo. Please samahin mo ko. Oh, Calbo. Paano? How you get that? Oh, I got it now. Okay, I'm using a method. I am using a method, okay. Me versus that fat girl. Dude, never gonna win, dude. I am not losing to a woman. Hey, Calbo, help me. Please, Calbo, help me. Calbo, please help me. What are you doing in there? Here is the killer. This is here the oh, okay. The point in here. Ha. Yan. Go. Ha. Sumabog ka. Pukpok. Yan. Wala na akong transformer. I don't have any transformer right now. Oh, an helicopter. Let's go. Where I am. And where is the driver? Okay. So we had no option first. So let's go. Please. Be quick, helicopter. Let's go. we complete this game in just, don't mind the minutes. So our time is that, and we got the trophy, dude. We got the trophy. So that is only for today's video. If you want anything we can play, just wait. Just hit the like and subscribe, or comment what should we are going to play next. So bye bye.